detail about vectors, such as describe a translation using a vectors, then add and subtract vectors, and so on. How today you will be ready to study today. Before we start the class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Enough. Okay, so today I'm very excited because we're going to be accompanied by Miss Anissa. Come here. Say hi to Miss Anissa. Hi. Hi, class. Okay. Talk about vectors. What do you know about vectors? Please raise your hand.
Miss, a vector is a magnitude or space of a line that has values and direction.
Excellent. So, a vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Next, I have three of these pictures. Which one is vector?
The second picture, Miss, because it has a value. This is a unit and moves to the upper right.
Very good. Now we are going to start studying about translation. Do you know what translation is? No, please. Okay, I will give you an overview about translation. I need one volunteer. Who is going to be volunteer? Please raise your hand. Please. Okay, come here, Nita. Okay. At first, Nita is standing here, which we assume it as point X. Then Nita, please move a distance for 4 steps to the left. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. Then please 2 steps back. 1, 2. Okay. Now Nita is standing in this position that we assume is at point Y. Can anybody guess what translation is based on what your friend demonstrated? Maybe.
Translation is the movement of all points of a field at a certain distance and direction.
Okay. Okay, good job, Arya. Let's give applause to Arya. Please go back to your seat. Okay, please. Translation is the movement of all points of a field at a certain distance and direction. And from here we get the formula for translation for point X and Y. The translation as far as A and B is point theta X plus A and Y plus B. For the next material will be explained by Miss Anissa. Please.
Now we will continue about the material vector addition and vector subtraction. Another operation we can perform on vector is vector addition. But each vector may have its own direction. The process is different from adding to number. Okay, pay attention for the illustration. In vector addition, we have two methods. In figure A is triangle method and figure B is parallelogram method. With this triangle method, if an object has moved first from the initial point to the terminal point of vector P, then from the initial point to the terminal point of vector W, the overall displacement as same if we had moved one movement. So the length of the vector is vector P plus vector W. Okay, next figure B with parallelogram method. With this method, we have two vectors, so they have the same initial point. So then we can draw the parallelogram of the vector as to adjacent side. So the diagonal of the vector is the sum. So the diagonal, we can write vector P plus vector W. Comparing figure B and figure A, we can see that we get same answer using either method. So vector P plus vector W is called vector sum. Okay, next is vector subtraction. Vector subtraction has the same method as vector addition, namely the triangle method and the parallelogram method. Figure A with triangle method, we can determine by subtracting vector P and vector W. So the length of the vector is vector P minus vector W. Okay, next, in figure B, with parallelogram method, we can determine the by adding vector P and vector minus W. So the length of the vector is vector P plus minus W. Or we can write vector P minus vector W. Comparing figure B and figure A, we can see that we get same answer using either method. So the vector P minus vector W is called vector difference. Okay, next. For more understanding, I have example 2. Given vector P is equal to and negative 3. Vector Q equal to negative 1 and 5. And vector R is equal to negative 2 and 1. Okay, for number 2 and 3, does anyone want to answer this question? Okay, the answer is correct. Give applause for Alia and Rita. Does anyone understand?
Yes, please. Now I want you to take out your smartphone and access the quizzes that I have shared. Are you ready, guys? Yes. Okay, let's get started. So now we have the winner. She is Rafa. Okay, please give applause to Rafa.
Okay, we have studied many things. Does anyone want to conclude what we learned today?
First, we learn about translation in vectors. Then there is the formula. If there is a point x, y, and the translation is a, b, then the translation from that point is x plus a, y plus y plus b.
Very good. Is there anyone else want to contribute?
We have also studied addition and subtraction of vectors. There are two methods, namely the triangle method and the parallelogram method.
Good job. Because study time is over, let's pray for to close the class. Pray, please.
Okay. Thank you for the enthusiasm today, and we hope that what we learned today can be useful for all of you. And see you guys.